Before removing the key we cut in the last section, let's review the procedure for decoding a laser key. The first step is to select the proper card. Since we just cut this key, we will use the same card. I had previously saved this card to the Favorites menu, so we do not have to do another search. Go to the Favorites menu and select the card code series to decode this key. Once the card is open, select Decoding. The screen displays the card and SN to be used for decoding the key and also shows the clamp jaw combination, stop position, and tracer that is required. Dimple and laser keys use either the 01T mobile tracer or the 02T tracer. In most cases, you'll be prompted to use the mobile tracer for laser keys. Once the key is loaded properly, select Start to begin the decoding process. Now you will be prompted to lower the mobile tracer. Move the lever to the left and lower the tracer into position. Futura uses an electrical contact through the tracer to decode laser and dimple keys. Based on the data from the card, the tracer will touch off at each designated space to determine the depth of cut. Once the depths are determined, the screen will show the decoded depths and the indirect code for the key. Select Cut. Raise the mobile tracer by raising the lever and moving it to the right. Remove the pattern key that was just decoded. Load the key blank and select Start to begin the cutting process. Note, when an application requires the 02T tracer, remove the cutter from the spindle and load the 02T tracer in its place. Push the tracer completely into the spindle and secure it with the Allen screw. Then proceed as in the last example. To avoid breaking the tracer tip, remove the 02T tracer and reinstall the cutter before attempting to cut a key.